In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion. If you are organizing a busy workspace, creating a folder-style structure in Notion is a simple way to keep related pages together and make your sidebar much easier to navigate. In Notion, this is done by creating a parent page and nesting other pages inside it, so it behaves like a folder in the sidebar. To begin, go to the left sidebar in Notion and find the page where you want to add your folder. Move your cursor over that page and you'll see a plus sign appear next to the page name. That plus sign lets you quickly create a new page under the page you are hovering on, which is exactly what you want for building a folder structure. Click the plus sign and a new page will appear. Give this page a clear name that matches the type of content you want to store inside it. For example, you might call it Projects, Archive, Notes, or anything else that fits your setup. Choosing a descriptive name is helpful because this page will act as the main container for the pages you place inside it. Once the page is created, click Add Icon at the top of the page. From there, choose a folder emoji as the icon. This part is optional from a functional point of view, but it adds great visual clarity when you glance at your sidebar later. The folder icon makes it much easier to recognize that this page is being used as an organizational folder, rather than a regular document. After that, go back to the sidebar and locate any existing pages you want to place inside your new folder. Click and drag each page directly on top of the new folder page. When you drop it there, Notion will nest that page underneath the parent page. This is what creates the folder effect. You can repeat this for as many pages as you want, grouping everything in one place for a cleaner and more structured workspace. Finally, look for the small toggle arrow next to the parent page in the sidebar. Click that arrow to expand or collapse the contents of your folder. This is especially useful when you want to keep your sidebar tidy and avoid seeing too many pages at once. And that's all it takes to create a folder in Notion. It's a quick organization trick that can make a big difference as your workspace grows. Thanks for watching.